पहली बात तो मैं मुंह धो के आता हूँ, मैं ऐसे बिना नहाए नहीं आ जाता हूँ.
Curly hair, I was stereotyped as a quirky girl and cool girl, and now
Vamp.
I was told or a vamp. क्या तुझे पता था कि शादी का basis was in control?
Will you remain friends with me if we get
And इसका
divorced?
आंसर हमेशा नो रहा है, हमेशा. तो ऐसे तुम मेरे बारे में अभी तक ये नहीं समझ पाए कि मुझे तेरी प्रॉपर्टी नहीं चाहिए.
If in hindsight, if we were to go back, I don't think we would have spent that much money on the fucking wedding.
नॉट एट ऑल. बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशंस है कि लड़की वाले ऐसे करेंगे, लड़की वाले ये करेंगे, लड़की वाले वो प्रेशर ले लेते हैं. आई हैव नेवर नॉट इवन फॉर अ मिनट फेल्ट लाइक यू हैव बीन डिफरेंट विद माई फैमिली वर्सेस डिफरेंट विद योर फैमिली. लाइक फॉर यू एंड आई नो मैं तो इमोशनली हो जाती हूँ ये सोच के, बट आई फील लाइक यू आर
रो आएगा, रील कटेगी, रो बेटा रो. Hello and welcome to part 2 of That's Just How We Talk Wedding Stories episode. We had a lot more things that we couldn't finish discussing in episode part 1. So now let us bring you part 2.
And another thing which I really appreciate about you, वही like I said, कि I have friends जिनके husbands उनके घर नहीं जाते. But with you, like every time we have gone back to Delhi, so his father and my parents, they stay in Delhi. Every time we've gone, we have made sure, and you have also made sure that hum 50% of the time we stay with your parents and 50% of the time we stay with my parents, which is amazing because I feel there is a sense of equality here, which I do not see with my other people around me who have married.
But I genuinely think that these are rules. If people who are listening, I genuinely think if you sort this out before, like if you make these rules and you communicate about these rules before कि भाई these are my insecurities, these are this thing, I think वो करने से हम it is good that we did this because अब हमें tension नहीं है. Like this is not a thought in our head कि oh shit अब यहाँ जाएंगे तो जैसे हमारे कभी वो नहीं हुआ कि oh दिवाली यहाँ जाएंगे तो वो यहाँ क्या करेंगे, which I know becomes a problem कि किन in-laws के रहो या किस घर पे रहो and all that, which becomes an issue. Partly I feel that's also a benefit for us because हम यहाँ अलग रहते हैं बॉम्बे में. I feel like अगर हम same
but what I am saying is that and it's just so sad that okay you were that person because you are the one who has to take lead on that to ensure that there is that equality. क्योंकि मैं तो लड़ती रहती पर अगर तू agree नहीं करता तो फिर ये बहुत बड़ा हमारे बीच में एक difference हो जाता है. And like what you said, it's very important to communicate. And again it brings me back to the fact that we are great companions because right from the start we were so communicative. And it's very important that before you get married or you decide that you want to get into this whole system, because clearly बाकी सब लोगों के लिए divorce is such a big deal. You need to express all these things and talk about all these things and see if it works for you or not. Like I have a lot of friends who are okay with this. That अब ऐसा है यार तो है ऐसा. Great if you are okay with it. If it works for you, it's okay.
Correct.
But it's important because ये सब चीजें आगे जाके बहुत resentment में change हो जाती है. And आप वो exacerbate होता है, वो बढ़ ही जाता है, right? अभी एक कल को कुछ और वो बढ़ता ही जाता है. तो ये मेरे लिए non-negotiable है. And you are very very supportive. And हमारी तो like we can talk about like we also went for marriage therapy before we got married.
Amazing idea.
Yeah.
I think I feel like it's a tricky one in terms of it is an affordability issue. Not everyone can afford to go there. But I think for me also it was very eye-opening because हमने कौन सा कोई घंटा हमें पता था. ये तो हमारे को बताया था हमारे थेरेपिस्ट ने कि एक काम करो before you're about to get married, हाँ तुम एक बारी आके साथ में बैठ के अपने जो भी तुम्हारे points हैं वो तुम सामने रखो कि what are your insecurities about moving into this. मेरे को घंटा पता था. I don't think तुम्हें भी पता था. These are things we don't even know.
One thing which we knew was the major difference between us was about finances.
Yeah.
तो वो बहुत ही जरूरी था कि हम and that's when our therapist said okay we will talk about money. It's very very important to talk about money.
Correct.
So I think among so many other things this is something which we discussed. We can talk about.
Of course.
तो ये था that when we got married, you were earning way more than me, and right from the start, even when we were dating, I always wanted that we should go Dutch.
Correct.
Like I was never comfortable with the idea of you paying for me.
Correct.
Always. And when you are dating, ये सब चलता है because you know I'm living on my own, you are living on your own. But then there उस point पे भी था, right? Remember when you booked that Goa hotel? I was like, but I can't afford it, and you were like, no, but I want to take you there. Remember?
Yeah.
But and then that was uncomfortable for me कि but मैं 15,000 पर नाइट का होटल नहीं अफोर्ड करना चाहती हूँ, पैसे पे करना चाहती है.
Correct.
Eventually, when shadi became real, it became it used to feel like a
Burden.
burden.
Yeah.
And like my
And-
ego would get hurt कि यार मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ afford, and मैं नहीं, how do I ask him for money, how am I okay with him paying for me. um and that's when we went to a therapist. She
Yeah.
was great, she was very good,
Yeah, she was very good.
very expensive but very good.
उसकी स्ट्रेटजी ये थी कि मैं ही इनसे इतना कमा लेती हूँ कि इनके पास ये बर्डन ही ना
बचा ही
रहे।
नहीं पैसे, हाँ।
इनको टेंशन ही ना हो कि किसने ज्यादा खर्चना है, किसने नहीं
Yeah,
खर्चना।
अब मुझे याद नहीं है उसने ऐसे क्या बोला था about money and finances, but मुझे एक चीज ये याद है that over time it has become so fluid when it comes to finances and money also, and that's again because you and I are so comfortable with each other where we function as a unit now,
Correct,
right?
correct.
मुझे नहीं, I do not feel apprehensive if I have to, let's say कि यार Gursimran, can you give me 5,000 rupees?
Yeah.
And it's very comfortable, and I think vice versa. If you also ever need, and
Correct.
if you are low on money and if you ask me, it's become very comfortable. But वही शुरू में नहीं था.
I remember उसने क्या चीज बोली थी. I think some questions that she had told us about, that if one person makes more, one person makes less, both of you should still have the ability to keep X amount of money from that money to be able to spend on yourself without any judgments. Like it should not come from कि you can look at me and say, oh, because you're making money, तू अपने ऊपर तो पार्टी कर जा रहा है और तूने जूते खरीद लिए और ये खरीद लिए, and at the same time I should not be able to look at you and say, oh, वैसे तो तुम इतना कम कमा रही हो, उसके अंदर तुम अपना भी वो तुमने 4,000 रुपए की शराब भी ली, blah blah blah. So she had said कि one, you need to get rid of that some money you both keep aside, which is your money, nobody fucking questions how you want to spend it, X percentage. One other thing which we didn't end up doing but I thought was very sound advice was that you make a joint account in terms of both of you know what your common income
We
is.
never did that.
We never did that, but in principle that idea was correct.
I agree.
I think
a lot of people do that, and I have a friend who's now married and she stays in Belgium, and वहाँ पे ये norm है.
correct.
वहाँ पे like she and her husband, her partner, they have a joint account, and every month उनका जो पैसे salary आता है उसमें से some percentage goes into the joint account. That joint account is used for all the expenses of the house. Etc. But we can discuss more of this whenever we talk about finances and money episode.
I don't know if we will end up doing a full episode on this, but one thing I know that even if we didn't end up implementing this joint account situation, one thing we did end up doing is that after that process, we became extremely communicative about this is how much I have, this is how much you have in your account, etc. पहले तो हमने वो बात भी नहीं करी थी ना. Like पहले it was
याद ही नहीं है मुझे.
हाँ, पहले it was very like अच्छा this money is coming in. Now, for example, when we function as a unit, it is very clear. Hey, this is how much I have.
If I ask.
Correct.
Or if you ask, it's
Correct.
not like we're not giving each other report cards.
Yes.
But that's also because there is a lot of trust.
कि in terms of कि वो कर भी नहीं कि कैसे करोगे कैसे नहीं करोगे.
But मेरे को इस बात से जो अभी तूने बोला that fighting over this के you should be allowed to spend money. I know we are like that, but there have been times that you have commented on the number of clothes I have.
Yeah.
And I have gotten so pissed with him. I'm like, तू जो जूते मंगाता है, तू जो हर इसके आजकल तो इसके तो there is, with every season he has a new fad fetish.
Fetish, don't say fetish.
आजकल जो perfumes है, right?
Oh,
every
God.
second day we have a perfume का tester coming, and one tester costs good 2,000-3,000 rupees.
No, not all. Some are like $500, $600.
तो इसको मेरे कपड़ों से क्या problem है? It's the only thing I spend
I've
on.
realized my problem with your clothes.
ऐसा भी नहीं है कि कोई Gucci के कपड़े आ रहे हैं घर पे.
My point is not that you're spending money on clothes. My point is that we don't have fucking space in the closet for clothes. Here is the other thing, which I think is the most damaging thing about both of us. Both of us are terrible with money from the point of view of when we have less. At least I don't know if you feel that way, but like sometimes I'm like, when my account is running low, that's when my brain fucking tells me you have one life. Fuck it.
That's again.
It never happens when I have like a chunk in my account. Then I'm
because you're low ना. So if you're low, you're turning like I have friends. जब वो sad होते हैं वो बस shopping करते रहते हैं, and that's where you get your dopamine from.
Yes.
So and
I feel that's the shitty vicious cycle which we get fucking stuck in. जो उसमें तुम करो तो क्या करो.
मैंने in fact अभी ही I think 3 days ago I was very sad. I was anxious about something at night, and now we have like internet, right? Everything is so accessible. रात के 3 बजे मैं गई, I think Zara or some app, and I have just purchased clothes.
And the best is.
And then in the morning I'm texting Gursimran, I have a confession to make. I'm feeling shitty about it. I know I have to save money, but I have bought a lot of cute clothes.
I love that you fucking added cute clothes as an adjective.
Your reply was as long as there are no frills.
Yes, because I hate frills in clothes. Anyway, that's not the
I
point.
hate frills in clothes.
As my point is
Can't
not.
they frills go?
My point is not that. My
It's
point is
reminding me of Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor.
why?
When Alia Bhatt said na, my husband hates that when I put lipstick and he
Yeah,
says
you've done
rub
this
it
in
off.
one episode
Rub
already.
it off. No, we haven't
Wipe
discussed
it off
this.
तुमने बोला था एक
Wipe
बार.
it off बोला था, मैंने डिस्कस नहीं किया, बट ये
अच्छा.
मेरे को मैं सोच रही थी इसके बारे में भी
हाँ.
दैट इतना लोग गुस्सा हो गए इसके ऊपर यार
किस चीज के
कि
ऊपर?
आलिया भट्ट ने बोल दिया कि रणबीर कपूर मुझे बोलता है कि रब इट ऑफ. उसने मजाक में तो बोला हो सकता है.
लोगों को कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं पता चलता. इंडिया इज अ वेरी कॉन्टेक्स्टलेस कंट्री. They take everything on face value without
बेचारा
understanding.
उसको रणबीर को आगे क्लैरिफाई करना पड़ा था 1 साल के बाद कि आई एम ऑन योर साइड गर्ल्स. Like I also I'm not in favor of toxic masculinity. But come on,
And then
guys.
I did
like,
animal, but that's no problem.
अब वो करियर है ना. मुझसे
हाँ.
मेरे एक फ्रेंड ने पूछा था ये सवाल
क्या?
क्योंकि मैं भी बहुत रिएक्ट करा था एनिमल देखने के बाद. मुझे एनिमल में मजा आया था. मैं
हाँ.
झूठ तो नहीं बोलूंगी. स्पेशली फर्स्ट हाफ में तो
First half was
यू नो
good.
क्या उछल रही थी मैं सीट पे.
पागल हो गई
मुझे
वो.
सच में लग रहा था कि वो गॉडफादर टेरिटरी में जाएगी पर वो नहीं गई. मूवी वो अलग बात है.
वो बॉबी देओल टेरिटरी में चले
I
गए.
have my issues with it, but then someone asked me, as an actor, अगर तुझे एनिमल मिल गई तो नहीं करेगी.
Of course.
And it did. I did like I was like, oh,
You would do a double take. This is sort of
पता
like,
नहीं,
you
पता
know,
नहीं. I don't know. I don't have an answer to this.
you know, this is a similar conversation happening in the comedy scene right now. For example, there is a Saudi Arabia comedy festival happening. There's a Riyadh comedy festival, and all your Dave Chappelle, Bill Burr, all your big names are going, and everyone is. A lot of the comics are making fun of it also. कि bro, the best names they have bought out all the comics also. So मेरी ये comics से भी एक बात हो रही थी कि तेरे को अगर offer होता, ठीक है, तो तू लेता कि नहीं लेता? I don't think I would have taken it.
तो मुझे बस वही लगता है कि लोगों के लिए इतना आसान है ना हेट करना और दूसरों पे कमेंट करना, पर जब खुद की आती है ना आपके
हाँ,
ऊपर.
करेक्ट. तो एक और लोगों ने सवाल पूछा था in terms of our first year of marriage was
नहीं, पर एक सेकंड, हम अभी क्या बात कर रहे थे अबाउट
Animal.
we were talking about नहीं, we were talking about money
हाँ.
and how this should be a. अच्छा हाँ, तो शादी से पहले हमने we took that therapist help. Do you think that helped?
I think it helped. I think it made me it made me understand your insecurities, which if we had not gone to her, I would not have understood. I would not have understood why do you have this baggage of do I need to.
I think it also comes from the fact that from the start, I was also raised with this whole ideology of never be dependent on another man or another human. And ये I think a lot of girls बोला जाता है ना कि अगर आपके पास financial independence है,
Correct.
तो you know you're very empowered and you know you don't have to settle for a lot of things.
Correct.
तो there is some truth to it. I still think financial independence होना बहुत जरूरी है. आपको
Correct.
अलग confidence देता है आपको. You can never be made to feel like a lesser human being. Not like you were doing that to me, but I think वही है. This is all
Subconsciously.
generations से जो
Correct.
चलते आया है. But
I also feel one more thing though is the fact that since you made the shift to acting, I feel both being in creative professions where we both sort of know that money is always going to be up and down. I think in a way that also helped us. It wasn't like कि एक जन कोई बहुत ही दूसरी जगह पे kill कर रहा है. We both know कि हमारे ebbs and
I
flows
know, but
होते रहेंगे.
I think we have reached a stage where अगर one of us earns a lot of money, we will not look at it as अच्छा अब
Our
मुझे
money, हाँ,
मैं
हाँ.
कम कमाती हूँ इससे ये मुझसे ज्यादा कमाता है. अब it's like now it's
It's our
very
money.
yeah,
Now
and
it's our
that
money.
has only been possible because of how communicative we have
Yeah.
been and how the other person has not made the other person feel like shit
Yeah.
for not maybe earning as much.
Correct.
तो वो बहुत
But
जरूरी है.
do you think this is a debate? Has this happened to you in your friends, like who are married, in terms of them having arguments about I make more, I make less? Is this? I do know that this is a control issue. I also know that one of the
Depend
reasons,
करता है because I feel a lot of times women are not expected to not work. तो वो
which
तो
is
बहुत
also partly control, which is
Control.
also partly that you become financially dependent on the person you're in.
yeah.
I do know, for example, that one of the reasons when my mom and dad did not work out because she had that financial independence, even though she was not working, but given that there was familial support in that situation, it sort of made life easy for her, right? Because otherwise in the early 90s नहीं होता.
Correct.
अगर आपकी उस टाइम पे financial independence नहीं होती, which is why you know a lot of people who end up saying कि oh India is so strong culturally because हमारे यहाँ divorce नहीं होते. अरे bro, होते इसलिए नहीं है
Yeah.
because ability ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
There are so many people stuck in such fucking
Yes,
shitty scenarios,
marriages, and
situations.
you know everyone, all of us, I'm sure, and everyone who's watching can vouch for it.
Yeah.
In their hearts, they know when they
Huh.
see their uncles and their aunts. You can tell when a marriage is happy and when a marriage is करना पड़ता है तो कर रहे हैं ना.
कर रहे हैं, sustain कर रहे हैं.
Sustain. मेरी friend को बोला गया था कि बच्चा कर लो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, पर
Oh shit.
that's a different conversation, but नहीं होता ठीक ना.
Yeah.
बच्चा करने से आपकी relationship कभी ठीक नहीं हो सकती अगर वो पहले से ठीक नहीं है.
Correct.
So it's very important to start and have a strong foundation is what I feel. So there are certain conversations which I think two people should have before they decide to get married. What do you agree?
I agree. I'm trying
What
to
are the
remember.
things that you think are very important?
I feel there are 2-3 things they should. I think money was, in our experience, it was very important. I think
Money is for sure. I think how you'll manage your money
Correct.
and
I feel talking how you see each other's parents is a big one. And
As
in terms of, for example, everyone is expected ki now that you are married, you have to call the other parents, mom, dad, etc., etc. Like
yeah.
how you
What do you
see,
think about that?
I feel it's a little weird that as an expectation to put in. I feel like वो तुम immediately day one से नहीं expect कर सकते. Obviously, bro, you've not lived with
को
them.
समझ नहीं expectation हुई क्यों? Because
हाँ, मुझे भी नहीं पता ये.
because यार आप कुछ भी कह लो, किसी और के पेरेंट्स आपके पेरेंट्स कभी हो ही नहीं सकते.
नहीं सकते,
पता है मैं उस दिन कहाँ Reddit पे मैंने ये पढ़ा था.
क्या?
नहीं, Instagram पे मैंने कोई रील देखी थी, कोई
Of course.
there was a girl, of course. There was a girl who was talking about this that मेरे बोला जाता था, मेरे हस्बैंड ने मुझे बोला कि मेरी मम्मी तुम्हारी मम्मी है तो उनको मम्मी जैसा ही बुलाओ, मम्मी जैसे ट्रीट करें बिकॉज मेरी मम्मी तुम्हारी मम्मी है. तो उसने अपनी मदर इन लॉ को बोल दिया मम्मी आपको कुछ नहीं पता. एंड इतनी इशू हो गया उस बात का कि कैसे बात कर रही है
It's a tone issue.
बट उसने तो यही बोला ना कि मैं तो मम्मी समझ रही थी इसको.
तो मैंने अपनी टोन में बोला.
तो मैंने तो मम्मी जैसे ही बिहेव किया तो आप एक्सेप्ट करो ना मुझे मम्मी जैसा. कोई करता नहीं है. तो फिर ये एक्सपेक्टेशन क्यों है कि तेरे आंटी अंकल में क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
करेक्ट.
बाहर तो आपको फर्स्ट नेम से बुलाते हैं. मुझे तो उससे भी इशू नहीं है. और तो अब वो आदत नहीं है तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
That's also not culturally, that would be weird.
Like I'm okay with your niece calling me Ismeet.
Correct.
Whatever, it's because of culture and everything that she calls me mommy, but I'm okay with her calling me Ismeet. And similarly, अंकल आंटी भी रिस्पेक्ट दे रही हूँ मैं आपको. फिर से मेरा आई थिंक लेबल टैग्स में ही फंस जाती है मेरी प्रॉब्लम.
तेरी घूम फिर के तुम्हारी लाइफ में लेबल एज अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट तुम्हारे को खाने के लेबल से प्रॉब्लम है. इन लाइफ तुम्हारे को रिलेशनशिप लेबल से प्रॉब्लम है.
तो ये फोर्स अगेन के मम्मी पापा बुलाओ पर आप फिर मेरे को ट्रीटमेंट भी वैसी दो ना. जब मेरे दर्द हो रहा है सर में आके दबाओ मेरा सर मम्मी जी. योर मम्मा तो आई लव हर, शी इज अमेजिंग, बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इन जनरल. इन जनरल बात कर रही हूँ मैं. नई ट्रीटमेंट वैसी मिलती है ना.
And that's also true. Do you think there were any adjustments that you and I had to make with each other's parents and stuff like that?
I'm still on the topic of what are the things that people should talk about before they decide to get married.
Oh, complete नहीं हुआ. Sorry.
क्यों? Finance बोला है तूने?
हाँ, so I think finance we should talk about. Like I said, how you treat each other's parents you should talk about.
But how you treat it उसको क्या है? मम्मी पापा तो is one thing.
हाँ. मतलब वो एडजस्टमेंट मेरे लिए वहीं जा रहा था.
और भी तो हाँ लाइक अभी मेरी एक फ्रेंड की शादी होने वाली थी. आई जस्ट होप ना होए.
wow okay.
Because her mother is going through a difficult time and she is telling her fiance that I would want कि मेरी मम्मी हमारे साथ रहे for some time, and he said ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. सोसाइटी में मतलब मैं इन लॉज के साथ थोड़ी रहूंगा, लोग क्या बोलेंगे. अरे ब्रो, that's a red flag for me. तो यहाँ पे before they have even gotten married and if the guy is saying that नहीं मैं थोड़ी रहूंगा ऐसे तेरी मम्मी के साथ, क्यों करोगे तुम उससे शादी?
Yeah, that's true. वो तो मेरे लिए भी red flag है immediately.
तो I think these conversations are important in terms of parents, that can my parents like, are you okay with it? And other things like mom, dad, but more than that, the treatment, right? Like how I said that I was okay with, you were okay with 50-50 and I was okay. I was also okay with that. Yeah. And okay, 50-50 we'll spend time and this and that. And so ये सब in terms of that, kids is another important.
I think that is the one conversation we didn't have, which we should have, जो मुझे लगता है हमें consciousness ही नहीं थी.
क्या?
Which is that we never spoke about, do you want to have kids? Do you want to become a parent?
Vaguely. We did have.
मतलब इतनी हवा में ऊपर से बात हुई थी that I think that is a thing that we missed. Like there are things that we did well,
Yeah.
which is discuss money and this and that.
Yeah.
The kids thing which we did not discuss, which is such a massive deal breaker for
But with
people.
the kids thing, I also realized one thing is that, and this I had read somewhere, that we should treat marriage as it is a contract, but like all contracts, even the contract of marriage should be negotiable,
I 100% agree with this.
because there is science, there is data. Unless you are locked in a house ka room, and now we are not, right? We all have our lives. We're all going out. We're all meeting other people. We're growing. We're learning. We're changing. We're
Correct.
changing every month.
Correct.
The Smith I was last year, I'm not that. I will not be that. So how can yeah, it's great to have these discussions, but there should also be a realization that nothing is set in stone.
Yeah.
तो अगर आज मैं ऐसा फील करती हूँ तो 4 साल के बाद we should come back to it and we should revisit. अच्छा, you know what? This is how I thought about kids 4 years ago, and this is where I am now. What is your take on it, etc. etc. हो सकता है कि 4 साल पहले मैंने बोला हो मुझे नहीं चाहिए बच्चे,
Correct.
पर ऐसे भी तो हो सकता है कि 4 साल के बाद मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मुझे चाहिए बच्चे.
I 100% agree. I feel like this should be a thing. You know how the गोरों में होता है ना कि they end up renewing their vows and all of that. I feel somewhere this is linked to that only. कि तुम्हें कुछ तो मतलब कुछ assessment of where you are at in life वगैरह होनी चाहिए लाइफ में, जो लोग नहीं करते. I don't think इंडिया में करते हैं.
Yeah.
I think बहुत ही alien concept है. I genuinely feel हमें भी करना चाहिए 1 साल बाद. हमने ये मिस करा क्योंकि the kids वाला.
हाँ, but what is the end goal of that?
I think the end goal is to see where you are. It's almost like कि company का status check कि भाई क्या चल रहा है, सब कुछ ठीक
And
है
how we
क्या,
can
operations are
navigate
okay,
it.
how do we navigate, do we still love each other?
While respecting that, मतलब because ये भी होता है ना कि तूने तो कहा था शादी करने से पहले कि तुझे बच्चा चाहिए,
हाँ.
अब तू कैसे नहीं दे सकती, या अब तू कैसे
दे नहीं सकती is a little
whatever.
funny. तुम
अब तू
दुकान
कैसे-
थोड़ी हो bro.
अब तू कैसे, we are treated like दुकान only when it comes to kids.
ये भी मतलब not every case but sure. But my bigger point is कि I feel this process of constantly negotiating a marriage is a very important one, which I feel like given that we are anyway so communicative, I think हमारा ना चाहते हुए भी more or less हो ही जाता है, क्योंकि हमारे जो major subjects हैं हम बात करते ही रहते हैं.
Yeah, I think solution of everything
हाँ.
in a partnership, whether you are living with that person or you are married to that person,
Talking.
lies in talking
Correct.
and a great friendship.
Yeah.
क्योंकि why I'm saying friendship is also because friendship is, हम उसमें जज नहीं करते, राइट, एक दूसरे को.
Correct.
हम रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं किसी के ओपिनियंस, और ये नहीं बोलते कि यार तुम गलत हो या तुम ऐसे कैसे सोच सकते हो और मैं ऐसे कैसे नहीं सोच सकती हूँ. नो,
Some people sent us questions saying how was the cultural adjustment that happened
I
in
want
your
to make
marriage.
it very clear because I don't know अगर ये edit पे वो part डालेगा या नहीं.
हाँ.
But अभी before we did this bit, इसने ये क्वेश्चन 2 बारी मुझसे पूछ लिया. मैं थोड़ा डाइग्रेस हो गई थी और ये दोबारा स्ट्रिक्ट टीचर जैसे बन गया था और he said don't digress, come back to the point. और फिर मैं थोड़ी हिल गई थी उसके बाद. एंड अब मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है इसका मैं आंसर कैसे दूं. तो आंसर गुरसिमरन ही देगा इस क्वेश्चन का.
Arey, it's supposed to be a conversation. I'm stressing on time, that's all. Okay, let me ask this question. So, some people have said that, were there any cultural issues between you two when you were getting married? देखो हमारे को इतने इशू नहीं हुए बिकॉज हम दोनों सरदार हैं, हम दोनों पंजाबी हैं, इतना इशू नहीं हुआ. मेरी पर्सनल एक इनसिक्योरिटी थी which I was a little bit stressed about because it's the first time I was getting married and I have not gotten married before,
It's
right?
the first time you're getting
Yeah, it was my first marriage. Last thing I want is for other people to say, "Oh, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵਿਆਹ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਵਾਲ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਪੂਰੇ, ਉਹਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਵਾਲ ਕੱਟੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ पेरेंट्स ਦਾ डिवोर्स
I
ਹੋਇਆ
was
ਹੈ."
told मैं दादी के बाल से क्या फर्क पड़ता है. हाइट देखी है आपने इसकी, because this was my daddy's biggest worry, which my family told me later. My daddy was worried that बड़ी सोनी लड़की है पर हाइट छोटी रह गई, लड़का कैसे मिलेगा इसको, शादी कैसे होगी. I'm like what? देखो दादी, सबसे लंबा लड़का ढूंढा है मैंने इसके वजह से. Another, again I'm gonna digress a little bit,
go,
but
go.
sorry, but I had like bad teeth and my teeth were not aligned, and I remember going to the dentist. I was in class 8. Invisalign is happening now, so for the major part of my life my teeth were not aligned.
हाँ.
So I go to my dentist for a root canal, and my dentist, of course, he's selling his procedures, and he
Of
goes like,
course.
दांत ठीक करा दे, शादी कैसे होगी ऐसे. He said
Who the
that to
fuck?
me.
This
My
is a
dentist
dentist?
in Defense Colony. Yeah, one of the most premium locations of Delhi. And I told him also.
You were in what grade?
7th, 8th, यार. 7th, 8th.
7th 8th में कोई बोलने वाली चीज है
हाँ,
बच्चों को?
और मैंने तब भी उनको ये कहा था कि जिसको मुझसे प्यार करना होगा ना, वो मुझसे मेरी पर्सनालिटी के लिए करेगा, मेरे दांत के लिए नहीं. तो मुझे लगता है ये बहुत ट्रॉमा है मेरे अंदर इन सब चीजों का.
दांत को लेके
सब शादी को लेकर
हाँ,
ये
of course.
चीज, हाइट छोटी हो गई तो शादी कौन करेगा, दांत ऐसे हो गए तो शादी कौन करेगा. एंड हाइट फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम आई वाज वेरी इनसिक्योर अबाउट इट विद यू, इफ यू रिमेंबर.
Hmm.
बट वो अब हम बाद में ही बात करेंगे, अभी हम शादी की बात कर रहे हैं और आपकी कल्चर की बात कर रहे हैं, और मैं डाइग्रेस ना कर जाऊँ तो
अरे तो बात करना यार,
ठीक
ऐसे
है, मैं
इतना
कर
क्या?
लूंगी. नहीं, यही कि फॉर द इनिशियल फ्यू डेट्स आई वुड वेयर बिग हील्स विद यू, रिमेंबर.
Yeah.
5 इंचेस की हील्स पहन के जाती थी मैं हर डेट के लिए. वॉक
मुझे
करने जा रही हूँ तो हील्स पहन के जा रही हूँ, बिकॉज मैं बहुत, oh my god, he'll make, I'm so short, and you know what if he doesn't like it. Then I think when I was attending one of my acting classes, तब रूल था कि आप नहीं लेके आ सकते अपने जूते अंदर. तो
Oh.
I didn't have a choice but to go inside
Barefoot.
barefoot. And slowly I realized that, bro, it doesn't matter. Because your confidence matters, yeah.
Correct.
आप confident हो तो आप, you can pull off anything. It doesn't
Anything.
matter how you look, how tall you are, how short you are, whatever.
Exactly.
I
हाँ.
remember even when I got Invisalign, that decision was solely made because I wanted to get into acting, and there was a conversation which happened between me and maybe one of the teachers, and I asked her, should I get it done or should I not get it done? And uska jo bhi opinion tha, that if there are two people, unfortunately the industry that we are in,
Yeah.
if there's one role and there's another person who's similar to you, and the
Yeah.
only difference is your dant, then unfortunately the role will go to someone jiska dant zyada aligned hai.
Correct.
So, and it's a normal braces treatment in general is good for your the structure
Dental
and all
health.
that, dental health, hygiene also. But you at that point also were like, just be yourself na Ismeet, kya
Yeah.
farak padta hai. So so because I think that's so cool, like that's why I feel so secure with you, because तूने मुझे accept करा, जैसे भी करा, अभी भी करता
तुम ना
ही है.
अपने आप को ऐसे मत दिखाओ कि तुम तो यू आर मेकिंग योरसेल्फ साउंड लाइक तुम बस एक
बेचारी.
सड़क पे फक्ड अप बेचारी
नहीं,
फक्ड अप
क्योंकि मैंने
टीथ लेके
बहुत बकवास सुनी थी अपने बारे में.
अपने दांतों के बारे में.
मेरे हाइट के बारे में मजाक उड़ाया जाता था, मेरी पर्सनालिटी के. वन ऑफ माय एक्सेस टोल्ड मी कि तुम फैशन की कंगना रनौत जैसी पागल हो. You have never made me feel like any of that.
Look, little bit that is
But
little bit that is true.
I've become so much better than what I was 9 years ago.
Little bit that is true. That
Not
means
that.
you have becoming member of parliament in your future.
And then
And then one day
performing very very badly.
then one day you will open a cafe in the hills
This is
and
what
there-
she did, na,
yeah,
in fashion. No.
and there will be floods.
I was called Kangna because of my hair also, but no, I'm not that.
You know what is
Karan Johar will not give me work.
You know what is the funniest shit? When you had curly hair, everyone was like कि you are Kangna Ranaut. अभी हमने जो episodes निकाले, अब तुम्हारे straight बाल है, अब तुम्हें अनीत पर्दा बोली जाता है.
Yeah.
तुम्हारे कोई भी बाल बदलते हैं, कोई वो बदल जाता है.
Personality बदल जाती है.
मुझे लेकिन इतना याद है, सॉरी मैं खुद डाइग्रेस कर गया कि तो मेरे को नहीं पता था कि when we were getting married this height वाला was going to be such a big issue. The only thing I remember is जब मेरे को ये पता चला कि तुम्हारी family conservative है और कि मेरे बाल कटे हुए हैं और ये potential issue हो सकता है. First time when I had gone to meet Dadi, I realized, okay, what is my trump card? And my trump card is that I am gold medalist in Punjabi.
Yeah.
I am gold medalist in Punjabi. I out Punjabied every Punjabi in the room.
And everyone fell in love with him after that.
Yes, because I was like, तो की problem की है? वाल कट्टे होते हो गाली कोई नहीं.
हाय हाय, कितना अच्छा लगता है तो पंजाबी विच गल्ला करता है. ठीक बोला? My Punjabi sucks, and after every few days I go to Gursimran and I tell him, मुझे पंजाबी सिखा दे.
चल ਅਸੀਂ पंजाबी च गाल करते हैं, 2-3 मिनट गाल करते हैं पंजाबी च.
टाइम है ਅਸੀਂ जी आपे हमारे पास क्या होता है?
देखो तुमने अभी इस एपिसोड में या पिछले एपिसोड में इंग्लिश की भी गांड मार दी है, अभी तुम पंजाबी की गांड मार लगे कि ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਾਰੀ ਤੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸਿੱਖਣੀ ਹੈ, ਕੁਛ ਤਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ.
तो तुसी कैसे हो तुसी?
ये धर्माफाइड पंजाबी बोलना बकवास करना बंद कर.
कैसा है तू बता, क्या बोलते हैं ना पंजाबी में. आई थिंक हमें ये करना चाहिए गाइस. टेल अस 2 मिनट we'll only talk in Punjabi and he will teach me Punjabi every time we do an episode.
Every 1 week you get this दौरा कि मेरे को पंजाबी सीखनी है.
मुझे पंजाबी बहुत अट्रैक्टिव लगती है एज अ लैंग्वेज, बहुत ज्यादा.
ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ, ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ, ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਕੀ ਹੈ?
ਟਾਈਮ
ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀਆਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ, ਹੁਣ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਰ ਹੀ ਲਵਾਂਗਾ, ਤਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਥੋੜਾ 1-2 ਮਿੰਟ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ
बता ना, करेक्ट करना मुझे इंस्टेड ऑफ
एक सेंटेंस तो बोल, 2 वर्ड को मैं क्या करेक्ट करूं?
मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि तू मेरे साथ पंजाबी इसलिए नहीं बोलता क्योंकि तुझे तो मैं मिल गई हूँ, तो अब तू एफर्ट नहीं डालता अबाउट पंजाबी
मैंने
टॉकिंग.
ना तुम्हें साला गिप्पी की पिक्चरें दिखा दी है, मैं तेरे को दिलजीत की पिक्चरें दिखाने ले गया हूँ, मैं तुम्हें जो भी पसंद आता है मुझे गाना, मैंने तुम्हें वो भी सुना दिया है, खुद ही तुम ओ माय गॉड सो एलएस करके तुम
हाँ,
रिजेक्ट.
कब बोला मैंने?
नहीं देखो,
पंजाबी गाने तो अच्छे लगते हैं, कोई
पंजाबी
कोई
गाने तो
समझ
मैं
ही नहीं आता वो क्या बोल रहे होते हैं, और कोई कोई गाने तो एकदम स्टूपिड होते हैं ना
वो तो देखो
उनकी
पंजाबी
लिरिक्स.
ट्रेडिशन है. ठीक है, आज बाय द वे मैं तुम्हें एक गाना सुनाऊंगा, मैंने आज ही सुना है. उसके अंदर एक लिरिक है कि मैं तेरे लिए तेरे को प्यार में पाने के लिए गे होने की बजाय सब कुछ हो गया हूँ. ये एक्चुअल ये एक्चुअल लिरिक है.
What?
या दिस इज
गा के
एक्चुअल
सुना.
लिरिक. मेरे को, मैंने गाना नहीं सुना, मेरे को ये लिरिक आया
किसका
है.
है ये?
पता नहीं, कोई नया सिंगर है, मैंने ये सुनना है, मैंने आज ही सुना है. बट ऐसी 2 मिनट पंजाबी च गाल
एंड
करने
वो
हैं.
गाना भी तो था ना एक वो ब्लैक वाइट ऑरेंज
नहीं, दैट इज नॉट ब्लैक व्हाइट ऑरेंज.
ब्लैक.
घोड़े चिट्टे
हाँ कोई
गड्डियां.
गाना है वो.
हाँ,
उसका वो गा वो एक वो लिरिक बता.
वो
एक
कॉपीराइट.
घोड़े वाइट
हाँ, नहीं, घोड़े चिट्टे कुड़ियां ब्राउन गड्डियां
गर्ल्स
कालियां
ब्राउन
नहीं.
गड्डी काली एंड देन
हाँ, बस.
इसमें
That
ही
is
गाना है.
the Ghana is that the boy wants 3 things in life: white horses, brown girls, हैं, and black cars.
बहुत
What is
रेसिज्म
the?
नहीं है इसमें
इसमें
पूरे.
racism कुछ नहीं है. It is a fucking banger of a song. First of all, ठीक है, outstanding song.
और इस पे हम नाच रहे हैं सारे.
इस पे हम नाच रहे हैं, yeah, सबको मजे आ रहे हैं सबके. तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि वो तुम गाने छोड़ो, तुम मेरे साथ 1-2 मिनट की सेंटेंस पे तो बात करो
हाँ
ना.
जी.
हाँ, ਜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ, ਇੱਕ ਪੋਡਕਾਸਟ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ? ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰੋ. ਵਾਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰੋ ਕਨਵਰਸੇਸ਼ਨ. ਹੈਲੋ ਐਂਡ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦੈਟਸ जस्ट हाउ वी टॉक ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ
सत
ਕਹਿ
श्री
ਕੇ.
अकाल.
हाँ,
आपका
आपका
स्वागत है.
स्वागत. स्वागत is a very traditional Punjabi word, also used by many restaurants in North
स्वागत है
India.
तो पंजाबी? No, it's not.
Sarcasm, bro, sarcasm.
You did the same thing with me 2-3 days ago.
What did I
Some
do?
word I use and you said anyway. I don't remember. But
Punjabi. Last
पंजाबी.
attempt at Punjabi. This is
मैं
your dharma.
कनेक्ट तो कर, वही तो बोल रही हूँ, कनेक्ट कनेक्ट तो
Say-
करना यार थोड़ा
Say
सा मुझे.
one complete sentence and I will correct.
मैंने बोला था कि तू तो पंजाबी, मैं तो तुझे मिल चुकी हूँ,
हाँ,
तो फिर तू
ये तो
पंजाबी
तुमने
क्यों?
हिंदी में बोला है
हाँ
ना.
तो इसको पंजाबी में कन्वर्ट करना मेरे लिए.
तो फिर अगर मैं ही कन्वर्ट कर दूंगा
तो
तो
मैं
करेक्ट क्या
सीखूंगी ना
करूंगा?
ब्रो, सुन सुन के. बोल तो एक बारी.
एक सेंटेंस बोल.
एक बारी.
हाँ,
एक बारी आजा.
सेंटेंस बोल भाई, सेंटेंस बोल.
सत श्री अकाल. वो भी पता है मुझे क्यों आता है, क्योंकि दादी को जब भी मैं फोन करती हूँ ना तो मुझे हेलो की जगह सत श्री अकाल बोलना होता है. उसके आगे पीछे मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ आता.
ये होती है भाई लोग जो अपने रूट्स से इन टच नहीं होते ना. ये देखो, नहीं तो देखो अभी तुम पंजाबी मूवीज कर रहे होते.
ओह गॉड, थैंक्स. और ट्रॉमा दे दे मुझे.
तुम्हें पता है जो पंजाबी लड़कियां यहाँ तेलुगु फिल्म सिनेमा वगैरह में जाके काम करती हैं, जिनको लोकल लैंग्वेज नहीं आती, वो कैसे डब करती हैं? दे गो
1 2 3 4.
yes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7
Really?
8. This is my acting. 1 2 3 4 5.
अगर
Sad,
अगर तू
sad.
अगर मैं तेरे को ब्रीफ देती हूँ और
हाँ.
तू तेलुगु एक्टिंग कर.
Telugu acting. What is Telugu
तमिल
acting?
कौन सी
What is
acting है
Tamil
ये?
acting?
अबे जो भी तू बोल रहा
South
है.
Indian film.
साउथ इंडियन ही तो हुआ ना ये.
Yeah, but that's a language. A language
अरे.
plus acting is not a thing, na baba.
तेलुगु सिनेमा.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
That Telugu acting meaning that the
Hmm.
cinema.
I am
Any
very.
South Indian, Malayalam cannot do this. उनकी मूवीज बहुत अच्छी होती है.
I am so afraid कि तुम जैसे साउथ में कोई तेलुगु फिल्म करने जाओगे और कोई तुम्हें बोलेगा कि कोई तुम्हारा एक्टर है एनटीआर, और तुम कहोगे अरे इस ब्रांड के तो मैंने स्नैक्स खाए हुए हैं.
हाँ हो सकता है.
So that was my attempt.
नहीं you did not, because तूने करेक्ट नहीं किया मुझे. मैं
हाँ.
तुझे बोलती गई.
Okay.
एक करेगा.
एक करूंगा.
आज चाय पी के बहुत रोमांचक लग रहा है.
That sentence doesn't make sense in
मैंने
Hindi
हिंदी
also.
कमेंट्री सुन ली
रो-
क्रिकेट की और मेरे को रोमांचक वर्ड से प्यार हो गया. उससे कमेंटेटर ने our friend only, he does
I don't know what the Punjabi word for romanchak is. I think I can only go slang like मजे आ गए. Like
मजे आ गए.
मजे.
बोल सेंटेंस, आज चाय पी के मजे आ गए.
चाय पी के मजे आ गए आज.
चाय पी के मजा.
मजे.
चाय पी के मजे आ गए
हाँ,
आज.
चाय पी के स्वाद आ गया.
चाय पी के स्वाद आ गया आज.
Not bad. Not bad.
चाय पी के स्वाद आ
You
गया
are one step away from Dharma movie. You are one step away from Son of Sardar 3. It is possible in this lifetime.
ऑडिशन प्रेप.
Audition नहीं होती अजय देवगन की पिक्चरों में. Ajay picks and then spits. Sorry. Bringing it back to यहाँ तक जो insecurity थी मेरी, I think more or less वो मैंने पंजाबी दे के solve कर दी. The big problem I remember, on the day of our wedding
It's so funny.
was extremely stressful, because obviously now my mom and dad have been separated, but they are friends now, and
No, but they were divorced and the first time they met after their divorce was on the day of our Roka.
Haan.
You remember
Like
that?
properly.
Properly meeting.
Properly.
Which was after 18 years of separation.
Yeah. I remember on the day of the reception, मेरी फटी हुई थी because मेरे दिमाग में 3 चीजें थी. One is I know कि I want you to be okay, right? Second is कि सारे guest आए हुए हैं. Third ना मेरी आंख हमेशा एक आंख, I'm not even kidding, is always where are mom dad. Okay,
Aww.
constantly where are mom dad. अरे नहीं तुम्हें पता नहीं है. I don't know if I told you this. बहनचोद जो photographer था हमारा, अब वो photographer को हम बताना भूल गए. मॉम डैड की बैक स्टोरी के बारे में. तो आधी फोटोज में फोटोग्राफर, चलो अरे इतने दूर क्यों खड़े हो, पास आओ मैडम, पीछे हाथ रखिए, आप क्या कर रहे हो ब्रो. somebody had to go tell him, bro, like calm the f down, like
But you know, it got them closer as friends. It's so nice.
which was very good, which was one of the positive side effects, I
Yeah.
think, of the wedding, which was very nice and very heartwarming.
Another reason, see, like agar whether it's a breakup or a divorce, it doesn't mean कि आपकी relationship खत्म होनी चाहिए. So it took them a while, but now they're friends.
Now
They're
they're
not
friends.
like besties or something, but they're cordial. And
Yeah.
there have been times where we all have met together. Now we all meet for dinners and lunches together. So I think it's so nice. But it's sad that ये divorce जैसी चीज इतनी taboo है. अब I think things are changing.
And I think, like I said, right, like in the beginning, I also said, like for me, that prioritization in life is like our relationship, etc., and family. Like if family is a priority, even though I fucking suck at staying in touch with them, like mentally, it's like a big deal for me. I think
But
that
you're very close. मतलब I know you suck at staying in touch, but you love them.
हाँ,
वो
मतलब
दिख जाता है एक character से, मतलब एक इंसान. So you are a family man.
you know, this was the one thing which I could not. This was one of the adjustments actually that happened, which is for
My
me.
family.
हाँ. So because I had grown up alone and I was not used to, like, our family WhatsApp group is fairly quiet, right? Like there is a family WhatsApp group that I'm on. It's fairly quiet, like it's not very talkative. Whereas me stepping into your family, I feel like your family was like over involved. Like, because your family WhatsApp group has 500 messages, like everybody knows what everybody's having for breakfast, what is people having for lunch, abhi shaam ko 5 baje kahan hai. And for me, when I stepped into your world the first time after we got married, it was very new for me, where I was like, is this too much? Like, is there everything too much information?
Yeah.
Like everybody knows everything. So for me, it was a very alien world, but I found it first, it was a little overwhelming for me. Later, I was like, okay, this is what it means.
नहीं मेरे parents भी extra है. अब तो शायद हम, I think now we all have found
our sweet spot.
But I think they were more, maybe it's also, I don't know if it's because we both are like sisters, and with girls like you have
They
to
are more protective.
They're very, very, very protective. They were very, very protective.
They still are. So like I said, that was a main adjustment for me purely because, and that was so nice that I reflect on this. I feel like maybe that is what I felt like I wanted as a kid.
Aww.
Right? Like I felt like
मुझे फिर से रोना आ जाएगा.
नहीं,
मैं बहुत ही, I think मैं हर जगह बस emotionally
आज तुम आज बह गए हो, आज तुम emotion में.
I've experienced all.
I felt like I sort of
Nine Russ. Sorry.
No, valid hai, because I feel like I sort of missed that, and I felt like as an adult I'm getting to experience that. So that was like a very cool thing for me, where even though initially I might have felt, okay, this is too much, why am I having to constantly be on the call or update everyone on everything and what is happening?
Updating, do you update them on everything?
No, we don't, but my thing is I felt like that.
Yeah.
Initially.
This can, I would like to ask, but that's a very sweet thing to say. I'm sure my mom, dad will be very happy to hear this.
They will also be crying listening to, oh my God. You are gay, it's genetic.
But how much of parental involvement do you think is okay in marriages or relationships?
Ooh, what is the metric? This is a good question.
No metric.
This is a good question. I feel like, am I the wrong person to ask this question, given that I'm so used to doing my own thing, where I almost like inform my parents that this is what I'm doing, versus asking them, should I do this or should I not do that? So I feel like maybe I'm the wrong person to ask this question. Where is this coming from for you? Like,
Run order. I
No,
thought
no.
this was a natural
This is another.
way.
No, I didn't.
No?
No, no.
No, but in general, I think like even though I think we are very communicative as a family, I think my parents have never interfered in terms of our problems. एक दो बारी उनके सामने हमने फाइट करी
करी है, जो
but
गंदी
वो
हो गई थी.
हाँ उन्होंने कभी ऐसे मेरा या तेरा ऐसे साइड वाइड नहीं लिया,
Correct.
which I think is very healthy. And why I say this is because I have a friend, they're dating, but their families they involve their families अगर कुछ होता है, जो मुझे लगता है थोड़ा टॉक्सिक हो सकता है अगर आप अपनी फैमिलीज को हर एक फाइट में ले आओगे एंड आई मीन आप दोनों को खुद सॉल्व करना आना चाहिए.
बट फैमिलीज के आने से वो बैड ब्लड नहीं हो जाता बिटवीन द फैमिलीज इन टर्म्स ऑफ सॉल्विंग? इजंट दैट वियर्ड ऑन अ लॉन्ग टर्म बेसिस?
हाँ, I'm श्योर हो जाता होगा.
जैसे
लाइक
अब
आई सेड जैसे अभी मतलब जैसे फैमिलीज आके जैसे अगर आपको बोल रही है कि बच्चा कर लो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. ये तो फैमिली से ही आ रहा है ना
या
ये चीज. तो
या
अगर आप खुद सॉल्व कर लोगे अपने इश्यूज एंड
so then you don't need to involve them in
yeah,
everything.
I guess.
No, I agree. The other thing I remember specifically outside of this reception where I was so stressed about and I had an eye out on mom dad is the day of our haldi. Uh, I'm almost wondering if I should talk about it, but it was uh, I remember I was mid haldi, and that was the day I got a call, and this is when we were in the middle of shooting Government. We had shot about 30 days. So in fact, in that break, we had taken a break because I was getting married. In the middle of the Government shoot ka break, Irfan sir was even supposed to come to the wedding. I had invited him, whether he would have shown up or not, who knows. But I had invited him in the break. And Irfan sir was used to playing pranks and stuff on set. So in the middle of the haldi, I remember getting a phone call from him, and I picked it up thinking maybe he's telling me whether he can make it, and if he can make it, I have to arrange security, and if he can't make it, then just to politely tell me, listen, I'll see you on set. That's the day he told me, hey, listen, I've had a bad diagnosis, and that's the first time. And I remember him telling me, don't tell this to anyone. We're keeping it super 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 confidential. Um, and it was so, and I remember texting you, uh and I didn't even, I mean, you don't think about at that particular point of time anything else, right? You're just like, oh god, I hope he's okay. How can we be there for him? And I remember calling you saying, this has happened, don't tell anyone, we're not supposed to tell anyone. But and I was just out of
Yeah.
I was out of it. I was just like, just finish the ceremonies. And in the middle of that, I remember calling you going, hey, I don't know how to deal with this situation. I was just like,
How do you deal with this situation? I mean, it's
I
so
remember,
difficult to process something like that.
I just remember praying.
Yeah.
And I'm not, and then those are the days when you pray and you realize, hey, I'm not really a believer. So I hope whoever is listening to this prayer can please listen to this prayer. So that was actually like a very crazy 2 days, that wedding. Oh my God, you're about to cry.
cut kar dete hain.
Okay, we had to take a bit of a break again because this meet has
Please.
become emotional
Again.
Man, you okay? Okay. So I'm going to ask you one last question in this episode, whichever episode this makes it. Which do you think is the weirdest gift you got on our wedding?
मुझे लगता है गिफ्ट देना है ना तो दिल से देना चाहिए वरना मत दो. It's fine. मुझे
That's also
बर्थडे
true.
पे भी ये लगता है.
That's true.
I know of people who if you give me something then I will give it back to you and I will make sure कि अच्छा आपने इतने पैसे का दिया है मुझे तो मैं आपको इतने पैसे का दूंगी. क्यों?
हाँ,
आप
ये
मेरे को इसके लिए दो ना अगर आप why is you giving me something dependent on me giving you something?
this reminds me. Actually, ये हमारी शादी पे भी हुआ था. And I remember
सब
both.
लिखा है ना
हाँ,
सारे पैसे कितने
both-
किसने क्या कितना कितना दिया है.
Yes, both
हाय
sides have,
हाय.
your parents and my parents
Society.
have both done this कि इसके गिफ्ट के इतना अमाउंट इतने गिफ्ट का यार imagine having that fucking Excel sheet.
Yeah. But boy, I think in general, I feel like I gift sometimes. I'm not a big gifter.
Yeah.
But if I'm giving you something, it's not occasion dependent. It's dependent on my love for you and my
Yeah.
affection for you.
Yeah.
मैं आपसे नहीं expect कर रही हूँ कि आप मुझे same. You can repay me in whatever way and form. I'm not
Yeah.
expecting that same gift from you.
Yeah.
I have seen there are these people who are like very close to me, but because I don't gift them something, they don't gift me anything, but they will get a gift for like this other person who's also in our group because she's gifting her things. And I have
ये तो
observed
formality
this.
हो गई ना.
It's so sad.
ये तो formality हो गई. Just don't cry.
Humans.
Just don't cry. Just don't cry. I know
No.
society is tough. And speaking of society,
Humans.
Society Tea, if you would like to sponsor our podcast, we are huge fans of your tea as
I
well.
love society tea.
Love it. All right. On that note, that was it for this episode of That's Just How We Talk.
It
Uh,
got too real.
It got too real. It got
For
yeah.
me.
It got a little heavy and it got a little intense. But thank you very much for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye, Bulbul.